This puto recipe is healthy and delicious because of added vegetables. The addition of leafy vegetables does not only enhance the nutrient content of puto, but also impart a nice color without using artificial food colors. These are the ingredients needed in making steamed water spinach puto cake. In a food processor, combine old rice water rinse, kangkong, and process for 2 to 3 minutes or until smooth. Pour the puree in a mixing bowl and add other dry ingredients. Add rice flour, white sugar, coconut milk, and blend well using a wire whisk or spatula. Now add the instant yeast and mix well until dissolved. Cover the mixture with a clean cloth and allow to ferment for 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on room temperature. While fermenting, let's gather big leaves of alugbati vegetables to be used as puto liner. Blanch alugbati leaves in boiling water for 2 minutes or until wilted. Rinse immediately in cold water, drain, and blot dry using paper towels. Line a medium-sized puto molder using the alugbati leaf and trim if necessary. After fermenting, mix the batter well and pour to individual puto molders. Top molder to remove bubbles. Arrange puto in a steamer basket and steam for 10 to 20 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Make sure to cover the lid with a cloth to prevent drippings. You may add cheese on top.